Alright guys, well, here it is. So, sorry about the background, I'm in the bathroom. But, what's happening is today, June something, I'm cutting my locks off. Don't ask me why. Just ask me, fuck it. I'm nervous as shit. I need a break. I ain't gonna lie. I need to detox them properly as well. And I just want something different for now. And then later on, I'll probably put them back in another time. But right now, I need to take care of my scalp and detox and give it a break because, you know, having dreads kind of like pulls on your hair and scalp and stuff like that. So I want to detox for a moment and then I'm gonna put them back. I'm nervous as shit, I ain't gonna lie, I'm fucking shitting bricks. I was like getting emotional standing in front of the mirror just looking at myself like. So, wish me luck guys. I will be trying to screen record the whole process. You feel me? So, if not, I'll just show you the after. You know, I'm gonna see what I can do. It might not have any audio on the screen record. Just cause I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's cause my phone is broken or some shit that the audio just doesn't work when I try to record. So let's see how many locks I got. I got 69. For real, I really do. I've counted them. Don't mind the spot. I don't fucking know. I got 69 locks, man. All my babies. They're looking so good and healthy right now. It's so sad. But I need a break. I need to get my clothes back too. So, okay. Yes, guys, I did it. Look at it. Final product. This shit crazy. That shit crazy. This shit crazy, bro. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can see, my hair is all cut off. Out. It is out the window. Out. So I will show you today. Today the video based on the title, as you can see, is going to be on how I customize my clippers. I already have done one of them. Been successful. So now I'm gonna show you the other one. I'll be customizing my Slimline FX. My Andis Slimline Pro. I'm about to call it an FX. So as you see here, I have sanded it down now to its fullest. And now I'm going to wash it with soap so it takes out all, you know, fingerprints and dust and stuff like that. I'm using the gold spray can to give it like a gold touch. And then I'm gonna finish it off with the top coat. But I'm gonna do about 3-4 coats of this one, and then I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna do about 3-4 coats of this one too. I like to make it like extra. I like to be extra, that's why. So after putting on my first coat, I'm gonna put a cover over it so no dust goes on it and let it dry. It says 20 minutes, but I leave it for 30 minutes at a time. Now this is what it looks like after the first coat. I'm about to hit it with a second coat now. So this is the second coat. I'm about to put the third one on now. Now this is after the fourth coat. I'll be putting on the sealant now, the top coat, and I'll be putting about 4 of these just because I like to extra protect it. Here you go guys, this is the final product. As you see, I had to let it dry for like a couple days to make sure that it's completely dry, hard dry. And yeah, make sure, yeah, one thing people don't mention is that you have to actually let it dry like 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours, possible, the longest possible, to be honest, to make sure it like fully dries. Hold on, where you going? Listen, give me 1 second. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to be posting more videos as much possible. Tell me what videos you want to see and I will post it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Pharaoh Blends. And let's get it poppin'.